Welcome back to the channel, Split Reality Studios. John here, just bringing you a video of all the smoke and haze of Alberta from the wildfires. This is the city of Edmonton here, and it's very low visibility. You can't see the downtown core from other areas of the city. Big thank you to all the firefighters and volunteers putting out those fires right now, and all the makeshift trucks I've been seeing with the big water tanks. Thank God for rednecks, man, I tell you. But yeah, and also big respect to all the construction workers and tradespeople out there working outdoors and dealing with that haze. You feel like you smoke a pack a day. And this is the tail end of a train I caught. I'm always trying to get a video of trains with the drone, and this is a early 1900s bridge I like to frequent occasionally, and I just happened to catch the tail end of this train as I was driving by, so I wanted to get that. It was a pretty substantially long train too, so one of those ones you don't want to get caught at on a train crossing while you're at work or going to work. Yeah, so there's the haze in the back, and yeah, it's not really great to work out in. Feel like you smoke a pack a day type deal. You always smoke. It's like a bonfire for the province, a big bonfire. That's what it is. So stop lighting those damn fires. There's a lot of vagrants and makeshift villages and stuff like that in the woods, and sometimes they catch fire. They have fires and all that. I do sympathize for the homeless. I've been homeless before, and it's not fun, but you have choices in life to make. And that's just a few of the fires that happened around Edmonton recently. And thanks for watching, and cheers. Take care of yourself. Bye.